When speaking about a kitchen flooring in Kansas City metro area, there is two answers. One answer is we are in a Midwest, people love their wood. So when they love their wood, we need to give them options of flooring that is more resistant for the water use and the high traffic because it is in the kitchen. So with that, it will stand to be engineered flooring. Engineered flooring is technically still wood, but it's been processed a lot so that it can resist. There is no shrinking anymore. There is not moving of the particles, and it is made to be recoated, and it also, most of them, resandable, recoatable, depending on the brand that you're purchasing. But the engineered flooring has been dried in a factory already. It does not have the gaps that perhaps the raw oak wood will have in your home because it is not affected from humidity change. And with that statement, it is also true that if you have water that comes from your dishes or from your hands walking around the kitchen, the engineered flooring will take so much more abuse than the real, oak planks that you will put in your home and refinish them in-house. So that will be the number one option. Then, of course, the number two option is tile. Overall, tile is made to work well with water. Yes, you do have grout lines. We use better quality grouts that provides non-staining, or I would say it was going to take quite a bit from you to stain the grout. And we also recommend bigger pieces so that we have less grout overall. I understand that some people think that that's a cold feeling, but it's still the best product out there when you're talking in the kitchen and the traffic that you have. Some people refer to LVP. I do not recommend LVP in the kitchen at all because no matter what, it is a cheaper product and it is a product meant to be a surface easier to clean, but is not meant to be in an area where a constant water traffic and lots of traffic will go. It is still a product that is printed on. The print is coming off. Unless you absolutely have to do the LVP due to cost or because you absolutely like it. Again, the options are engineered flooring or tile for long-term solution, or the oak planks installed into your kitchen and then refinish in-house with a water finish product. And depends what brand you want to go with that and how much you want to spend on that.